Alright, so I'm just testing out some new features that I've been messing with ChromaCam. So here's something that not a lot of people have used, but I knew could be done, is if you use the green background with OBS, for example. OBS has a setting that allows me to use chroma key. So if I use a green background, then I can set up a media source with chroma key here and set up a filter for it. And in here, I have the filter of a video playing a nice little background that is like a forest. So let me show you what that looks like with the green screen. Kind of a cool thing. So it's just a looping video. Just sits there and plays in the background. Kind of cool. Alright, that's it.